Listen closely, because this message is for you. Life is not waiting for you. Success is not coming to knock on your door, and your dreams will not chase themselves. But you have the power to rise today. You have been through pain. You have been through storms. You have felt lost, tired, and discouraged. But you survived every single one of those moments, and that means something. It means you are stronger than you think, stronger than the fear, stronger than the doubt, stronger than the limits you put on yourself. Most people never see their true potential because they choose comfort over growth. They choose the easy path, the safe path, but not you, not anymore. You were not born to live inside a comfort zone. You were born to grow, to rise, to build, to conquer. Everything you want is waiting for you right outside your excuses. Failure is not the end. Failure is not your enemy. Failure is your greatest teacher. Every success story in America, every entrepreneur, every athlete, every leader, they all failed. They refused to stay down. They stood back up, stronger, smarter, and hungrier. Your life will not magically change tomorrow. It will not change next week. It will not change next year unless you change what you do today. Small steps, small habits, small choices, repeated every single day. That is how success is built. That is how dreams turn into reality. I know you are tired. I know some days feel heavy. I know you question yourself sometimes. But hear this. You are not behind. You are not late. You are not done. Your story is still being written. Your potential is still unfolding. Your strength is still growing. Believe in yourself again. Trust that you are capable. Trust that you can do this. Because once you believe, your energy changes. Your choices change. Your entire life begins to change. Stand up today. Stop waiting. Stop doubting. Take control of your life again. Your dreams are calling you. Your future is waiting for you. And the world needs the strongest version of you. This is your moment, your comeback, your new beginning. Rise and show the world that you are unstoppable.